Hello everyone, my name is Matheus Diniz. I am a computer engineering student at the Federal University of Rio Grande do Norte. In this video, I will be presenting the development of my first assignment in the machine learning based systems design course by accessing my GitHub, which will be linked in the video description. You can find my course repository, so just click on it. To begin, let's take a look in the main README, where you will find the link of the first part of this course. Clicking on it will redirect you to the repository containing a README with a brief explanation about GitHub code spaces, along with some useful links including Microsoft Learn videos for the code spaces. You can find an introduction of command line interface fundamentals with this book and some chapters. You can see some links on the Python enhancement proposals section. You can see a little bit about PyNet, errors and exceptions, PyTest, and logging. Just below, you will find 3 links to the projects I developed as a part of this course. But before we dive into the projects, let's take a look in the references. In the reference section, you will find a link to this video, a link to the certificate I obtained from DataQuest, and other links I used as reference throughout the development of the README. So this initial project is a movie recommendation system. Let's head to the terminal. In the terminal, let's copy and paste the sequence of commands that we have on the GitHub. Now we have to change the directory, and we can make a virtual environment using Python 3. Now we have to install the requirements. Now we can use the project. I will search for Toy Story. And I will pass an additional parameter that the size. Now it's downloading the data. This is only necessary on the first time. Now we have the 5 movies that are more similar with our input. Now let's run the second project. The second project is a podcast summarizer. Just like in the previous project, we will follow the GitHub tutorial and create a virtual environment. On this project, we will have two terminals. So let's create another one. Nice. Now we have to configure the Airflow home. After set the Airflow home, you will need to initialize the database. I forgot to install the requirements. So now we can initialize the database. This command here is only if you don't want to load the examples. Now let's start the Airflow. Now we have the login and the password. But before we open on the browser, let's create a new directory, and we can use the SQLite. Cool. We need to create the episodes database. Now let's create a connection. So let's open the browser. And now let's run the podcast summary. Now, the final project is more simple. You just need to create a virtual environment and install the dependencies. So let's change the directory. Now we can run it. It essentially displays the result of parameter analysis for one model. Thank you for watching the video.